Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the NQJ 4K+2K dual dash camera. Designed to keep your vehicle safe and capture every moment on the road. This dash cam offers dual-channel recording with a 4K front camera and a 2K rear camera, giving you crystal clear footage that makes license plates, road signs, and any incidents fully visible. With a wide-angle lens on the front at 170 degrees and 120 degrees at the rear, it significantly reduces blind spots, providing comprehensive coverage for both city streets and highways. One of the standout features is the built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi and companion app, compatible with both Android and iOS devices. You can live stream, adjust settings, and download or edit videos directly from your phone. Sharing your footage is seamless, with options to upload to social media platforms with just a tap. Keep in mind, the Wi-Fi works best within a 10 to 16 foot range from the camera. For parked vehicles, the NQJ dash cam provides 24-hour parking monitoring, though it requires a separate Type-C hardwire kit. When motion or impacts are detected, it automatically activates parking mode and records using time-lapse to conserve power. While the included 64 GB memory card ensures continuous protection against collisions or theft. Nighttime driving is no longer a challenge thanks to the advanced night vision system. The f1.6 aperture CMOS sensor, combined with WDR technology, balances exposure automatically. This ensures that even in complete darkness, footage remains clear and true to color, with no overexposure from headlights. The camera also supports smart loop recording and accident blocking via its built-in G sensor. When storage fills up, the oldest unlocked files are overwritten, while footage from collisions is immediately protected in a separate partition. This guarantees that critical evidence is never lost. Installation is simple and flexible. You can plug it directly into your car's cigarette lighter for a quick setup or use adhesive mounts for a more permanent solution. The intuitive 3.2-inch TFT screen allows easy navigation of settings and footage review. Each unit comes with the front and rear cameras, a car charger, rear camera kit, 64 GB card, adhesive pads, a user manual, static electricity sticker, easy pry tool, and cleaning cloth. Overall, this dual dash cam combines high-resolution recording, advanced night vision, continuous monitoring, and smart app control to provide a robust solution for vehicle security. Whether it's for daily commuting or long road trips, this dash cam is built to capture every detail with clarity and reliability. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews here on Product Critique.